This is a watch by Reymond. It's marked Locle, L-O-C-L-E, which I believe is a region of Switzerland. I'm guessing it's an older keywine watch. It's from the 1890s. It's a keywine, key adjust. I don't have a key to go with it, so I don't, but I wanted to show that it is up and running now and has been, for probably the last 20 minutes or so that I paid attention to it. So the minute hand and the second hand do also run. That I've seen, it's been moving along, so it seems to run okay, from what I can tell. But we don't guarantee accuracy or how it'll run when you get it. So, all right, thank you.